to use the cleanser, so that is number 4. So just take the cotton pad and cleanse your brows. Step 2, you're gonna have to apply just any skin protection around your eyebrows, so probably just like your favorite cream. Next step is to apply the glue, so that's how the glue looks like, and you're gonna use this brush. So all you're gonna have to do is just to apply it on your eyebrows and just like put them in a desired shape you'd like. Now we're gonna use the Perming lotion, so that's number 1, and we're gonna use it with the applicator brush, and we're gonna put it on our eyebrows and leave that for 5 to 7 minutes and then take it off. Next step is to use number 2, so that is the setting, and we're gonna use applicator brush again. Just make sure it's a new one. When this step is done, we're just going to wait for another 5 to 7 minutes and then remove it. And now the last step is to apply the essence, so that is number 3, and we're gonna use the mascara brush again. Just make sure it's a brand new one. And that is the final result. That's how my eyebrows look like, and I love them.